Hi, I'm Jennifer Nam. I came from the Philippines. I'm the head of marketing for the Philippine National Bank. You asked me about data privacy and personalization and how it goes hand in hand together. So again, I think everyone should realize that the integrity of your data is of utmost importance. And once you have, and then there is a need for data, then you have to gather data, and then you have to the data privacy needs to come in. And because of that, the transparency with your customers as you collect the data and how you use your data should be there, and it should be utmost important. It would be how Domino's in the different territories that they serve are into hyper-personalization. They would try to look at the service area and the uniqueness of where that branch is situated, and they would curate the different type of flavors, the toppings, and it's just a growing trend that, again, personalization is no longer a luxury. It's something that you need in order to survive. So that's something that is very important.